Hi and thanks for joining me today. Today we are here to unbox and reveal the 2023 Spring Journal Theme Planner Box from Your World of Colour. It is currently $25.95 plus postage with a recommended retail price if you were to buy everything separately of $42.95 plus postage. This theme is spring, gonks, gnomes, Easter, flowers, that kind of thing. So we're going to delve in to see what's in this box. So the first thing you get is a 2-page journal sheet sticker kit, and you've got all the torn edge papers, you've got brush strokes, you've got some deco of the gonks and like carrots and flowers, rainbow, you've got some journaling spots, you've got some deco wavy strips, washi tapes, you've got some plain washi, some circles, you've got 7 days of the week. These fit absolutely any planner and any buju, any journal, which is fantastic really. You can use them in anything. Then the second thing you get is 2 different journal sheets. So the first one is Easter Carrot Journal, which has these gorgeous gonks and gnomes with Easter ears holding carrot balloons and Easter eggs, and then you've got some hearts and some rainbows, you've got your paint strokes, you've got your Bye Bye Diet Hello Easter eggs. These change all the time, which is great. So you've got that one. The second sheet is the Gonk Mushroom Journal sheet, which has got the fairy and the Gonk Mushroom, and then different flowers, daisies and like a blue and yellow flower, mushrooms, more rainbows, more paint strokes and different quotes. Then you get 2 sheets of different like day kits sort of thing. So these are like journaly strips and boxes and things that you can use. I've seen people use these over 2 days, some even 3. Depends on how you journal or how you decorate your planner. Personally, I use 1 per day, but that's because I use a lot of stickers. This one is like blue themed and got different Easter eggs and bits and pieces. Everything matches as well. Then you've got this one, which is just another version of this, but different sayings and different patterns. Everything cohesive. Then you get a sheet of the self-care quarter boxes in the spring edition colorway. So all these colors match everything here. And then you've got like pamper yourself, have a nap, unplug tech, call a friend, treat yourself, watch TV, lazy day, etc. These are 1.5 wide, so you can use them in vertical planners or any other style planner for that matter. Talking of vertical planners, or if you use these in other planners, we've got the full box sheet as well, which has got all the different gonks that are featured in this kit. And then last but not least, for sticker sheets, we have a new selection, which are these colouring sheets. Now these are actually stickers. So the first one we've got that fairy and gonk mushroom again, and different flowers and rainbows and bits and pieces. And then we've got the spring themed one with the flowers, and she's like one tralalas through the daisies. And then you've got the Easter eggs too. So you can peel these up yourself or colour them in first, put them in your planner, or colour them in after. It's totally up to you. Then in this box we have 2 vinyls. Now this is the buttery matte feel, which is just super like unicorn paper. So this is the first one, which is Happy Spring with the Easter egg gonks. And then the second one is this gorgeous Love, which is, I just love this big Easter egg with the ears on. It's just so cute. So you've got those. Then the washi tape. Now, Your World of Colour it's got own washi tape. So the first washi tape that we have is gonks with Easter eggs and carrots and carrot balloons. How cute are they? And they absolutely match everything that's in this kit. And it is on a tie-dyed background. So you've got your pinks, blues, greens, yellows in there. Really nice. Can you see that? Really nice, and matches everything. So let's shove those up there. Put that up. Put that across there. There you go. You can see the tie-dye bit better now. And last but not least, this box has a stationery item, and this stationery item for this kit is this Bruno Visconti Fun Graphics pencil, and it's got like strawberries on. Can you see? I really, really like this. And what's more is you take this out and that is a sharpener. How cool is that? That is so cool. Like, so there's your lead, and then you take this out and you put that in there and it sharpens. That's so cool. So yeah, so that's what's, oh, I've got shavings everywhere, not a good idea. So yeah, that's what's in this spring box from Yourworldofcolour. I will leave a link down below if you want to go and grab one, because it is amazing value for anybody who journals. So yeah, and be sure to join the Facebook group. I'm quite excited to see what the next box will entail. Till next time.